Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can create Google Drive link to share files. For example, if you have a file or a folder on Google Drive, and now if you want to share them to people over the internet or your friend circle or relatives or whoever it may be through a link. So first of all, we need to create a link, then we can share that to the other people via Gmail or any messaging service app like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or whatever it may be. So in this tutorial we'll see how we can create a Google Drive link. So on Google Chrome you can search for Drive on Google, and yeah, click on this link, drive.google.com. Okay, drive.google.com. If you are not yet signed in, it will ask you to sign in with your Gmail and password. You need to sign in. I am already signed in, so it directly opened this one. Okay, these are the files. Okay, yeah, you can have the list view, or see here you can have the list view or the grid view. I just selected the grid view, so these bottom are the files, these are the folders. For example, you can send a folder, entire folder, or a file. What you need to do is click on these three dots just beside the file or folder. For now, this tutorial is showing folder. Click on the three dots and click on share and click on copy link, and you will see a pop-up like this. You need to click on manage account. Here you can click on this drop down and click on anyone with this link, and you need to copy this link. Yeah, now you have created Google Drive shareable link. What I'll do for this tutorial purpose, I'll open another Chrome tab. Okay, I'll just use a guest mode, and for you to show, I'll paste the URL what I have copied, the sharing link, Google Drive sharing link. Yeah, see here, I just pasted the URL and I browse through this. See, those file what I have copied the link or created the Google Drive clickable link, and I can just click on the download. Means this may be any user who has this link. See, yeah, it got downloaded. So in this way you can create a Google Drive link to share your files. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.